Today we're going to give you some information on anode rods for your water heater. The anode rod installed by the manufacturer is typically a magnesium or aluminum or a zinc aluminum alloy. It is a sacrificial metal in order to help maintain the integrity of the tank from corroding over time. It is recommended to replace the anode rod every 3 to 5 years in order to maintain the strength of the tank itself. Typically in that time, the sacrificial metal is dissipated into the water system and is no longer protecting the tank. So this water heater was installed less than 4 years ago in the Darboy, Town of Harris area. And as you can see, this is the anode rod that was in it. It is completely degraded to the point where the chemical reaction was start to deteriorate the tank, and as a result, the tank did leak. This is what a original anode rod would look like, and you can see that it has a lot more meat to it when it first starts out, but by the time it's 3 to 4 years old, it's usually down to this. So when replacing an anode rod, you can either replace it with another full sacrificial metal style anode rod, or we do offer a product that is called a powered anode rod. This is a piece of titanium that gets a low voltage current to it that ionizes the water in a fashion that it no longer attacks the metal of the tank. So with the powered anode rod, it protects the tank for a lifetime longer than this will last. This should last up to 20 years, and it can be transferred to other water heaters if there is a failure other than the tank deteriorating.